said cut all the way down.
I mean, yo, but shut your bitch ass up, Troy. Don't tell what to do.
Shut your bitch ass up, Troy.
God, I
Shut your
forget how
bitch ass.
many.
That's literally how the fucking people in my seventh grade act, though. They're just aggressive for no fucking reason.
Nah, like some of the kids in Cyprus be crazy. Like, you saw some senior got into a fight today.
No.
If you're a senior getting into fights, you're a dumbass, bro. Like, you literally have one more year, and you're fighting somebody. Like, you're so dumb. Here's a tour of my Stardew Valley farm. That's my mixed race child. And this is my beautiful. Oh yeah, I named my kid Kiryu Kazuma. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah, because Kai told you to, right?
Yeah, Kai just said name him Kiryu Kazuma. I was like, okay, sure. And this is my snow bunny wife Haley.
Why? What are you gonna name your daughter if you get
Butthole.
like if you get a daughter? What?
Butthole. Oh, and these are my casks. I use Diego's. Wait, do I use your house for casks? I think I do.
Oh yeah, I told you can because I put a fuck ton in there.
I don't know which house is yours.
Mine's the fancy looking one.
Okay.
Mine's actually upgraded.
Yeah, and then we got our little. We get the greenhouse. Not full of anything. It's the 3rd of spring, so I did the math. This is a. Wait. Oh my god, I did not do the math.
Do the math.
Okay, 1.
Do the math.
3, 4. It's a 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 25. 25 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 25 times 9 is a number. I do calculus. This is algebra 1. How am I fucking this up?
Did you do the math?
Kinda. It's 25 times 9. Well,
What's
25 times 18, actually.
What's 25 plus 10?
35?
No, it's 21.
No, that's 9 plus 10, bitch. So, like, is there a law that says anything plus 10 is 21?
No, anything that sort of rhymes with 9 plus 10 is 21.
Okay. Not evil chicken. I can't get over how I have an evil chicken.
Is he evil?
He is very evil.
But he's also a chicken, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got nothing to worry about.
He's a pretty big chicken as well. Oh, I should get. Oh, I should name. I was gonna name my next ostrich after a Dragon Ball character, but I might name it after a. What should we call it? I might name her Ernie. They're just Family Guy characters. And then there's my pond right here. I just kind of have it there. I want to say this is just storage. This is refinery. Yeah, this is full of barrels. This is also full of barrels, I'd assume. Yeah, barrels. And then this is where storage is. Not that. That is not that. I also should cook. I want 100% this, but because so many other games came out, kind of delayed it. I feel like now I could. Because now that my brother's like always on Elden Ring, I'm kind of forced to play other games while waiting for him to get off. So yeah. I know. Is my ancient wine done? I assume not.
Quit whining about it.
You corny for that. Oh, this is your pineapple one. Oh yeah, I gotta go to the second farm. Why do I have a Santa hat on?
Feliz can't be that, motherfucker.
It's spring, bro. I think it's spring.
You told me you can't. You told me you can't celebrate Christmas in spring. You you were unjolly motherfucker for saying that.
You celebrate Christmas in spring, bro?
Yeah,
You freaky.
I'm not freaky. I'm jolly.
Freaky Diego.
Said I was jolly.
Freaky ass. Freaky white boy. Alright, I'm getting to my spring fit. What's up, bitch? What you want? That's my whole wife over there.
Also my ex.
Oh, yeah. God.
That's so fucking stupid.
Is it tiara? We'll wear the tiara for this month. Oh, yeah, and then there's here's my very nicely decorated home. So I want to say this month I caught the legendary fish a while ago. I want to say for this month. Well, either way, we have time. We have time. We have time.
Coiny.
Crikey, mate. I'm doing well on the Pokédex, bro.
What?
The Pokédex.
Pokedex?
In the fish dex. So 25 times 9. It's not 25 times 10. Wait, it's a 3x3. But there's a hole in the middle. This isn't even statistics, what the fuck. Yeah, 3x3.
Yo, Jonathan, you stupid.
No, I'm not.
What's 7 times 3?
21.
Stupid. 19.
It's actually 9. It's actually 8. Yeah, it's a 3x3 area with the space in the middle missing. So yeah, 8.
Wait, oh, it's a 3x3 area with a space in the middle missing.
Yeah.
You couldn't solve that.
Shut up, bitch ass up.
It might be because I'm playing a lot of Minecraft and I craft a lot in that shape, but still.
Look, man, it's first day back in Stardew, okay? I need to make recipes, so I need like a little bit of everything. I
Just
know
a
I
little
need
bit?
corn to make tortillas.
What did you say?
I need corn to make tortillas.
No! Why'd you say it like that?
It's tortillas.
No, it's not.
Or proof you have.
Ask any Hispanic person how to say how to say
Don't
toilet.
you ask any Latin person?
Ask a Latinx how to say tortilla.
Latinx. Okay, fine.
It's not Latinx, by the way. It's Latinx.
Latinx? A real Mexican. Oh, fairy seeds. I haven't sold those yet. I need those. 100, 110, 120, 140. We'll just spend the 60. Actually, we'll do 30 cranberries. 30 game.
One keeps insisting.
Wait, am I
that
going fucking... I'm schizophrenic. What the fuck? Bro, I'm retarded.
Yes, you are.
I forgot I had the shop key unlocked. It's spring. It's been too long since I played. How did I forget this? It's spring. This means our cash crop is like nothing. But screw it, we'll just go potatoes. God, I am lucky to have my ancient fruit wine business do this much. 20 cauliflowers. Oh god. I like how there's just two like minorities in the whole, like in all of Pelican Town. Just me and Demetrius.
Demetrius the Quantavius the third.
The Quantavius the third.
Yep. Demetrius the Marcus the Quantavius the thirdicus.
Junior the second.
Yes. Well, why don't like most black names just sound like that though?
I don't know, man.
Pretty like weird name. So. Yeah, my name is Demetrius the Marcus the Quantavius the thirdicus.
Hey, listen to like what their masters named them. What if we had like what? Why didn't they come up with cool names like Megatron?
Because Transformers wasn't a thing back then, unfortunately. But you know what was a thing back then?
What?
Jim.
Jeb?
No, Jim.
Jim Crow?
No, what the fuck? What are you, racist? Jim Corbett.
Jim Crow wasn't even a real person.
I know, it was an act.
For a push.
That's like saying Megatron is a fake person.
But he is.
He's real!
He is. Yeah, I just said that. That's what I said.
Oh, okay.
Why is my brother playing GTA 5? I
Just
used,
have.
no, I used to play. I only played GTA 5 online for the racing. Like I've never actually completed the story of GTA 5, although I probably should. Like I literally just go around and commit crimes.
As one does in GTA.
I just realized my OBS is still recording.
You're obese?
My obesity is still recording.
Alright, so you're gonna go to that biomed shit, right?
Yeah, but did you get like
What?
an email? Because I put my email to the serve, I haven't gotten an email.
Yeah, I didn't get an email either.
So, okay, I guess I'm fine.
Bro,
Yeah,
if
I wanna
I
go.
do end up going in, I'm gonna play the fuck out of the victim role.
You're gonna play the victim role? Like, how badly? Ah, my leg! My leg!
Like that.
Oh my god. You're gonna like harass the trauma team members, like, in the worst way possible, be like, I don't
Then
know.
then after the whole experience, I'm acting like a Vietnam War veteran.
Oh my god. No, you should say, what if there was like a situation where it's like heavily racist, like heavily racist, sure, fuck, what would you call it? Victim is heavily racist, will not allow African Americans to perform on them.
Oh my god.
No, what if that's the act you have to play?
I'd get very into character with that.
You get very
I like how when Mr. Patel described it, he was like, okay, so like there's like people, they need like volunteers to like play the roles of the victims, and that's where you come in.
Bruh, he doesn't teach my class anymore because like so many kids just do whatever.
Yeah, he doesn't really teach our class either. Like he does like once every like once every 2 weeks.
But nah, like we used to do labs and stuff, and it was actually pretty fun. Cause he's a super funny guy. It's just that like some of the kids are dumbasses, and like they use it as a free period. Cause the labs are actually pretty cool. Like, I would say it's sad that he's leaving, but at the same time, I feel like he has to leave because he's too good for the school.
Yeah.
Like my AP physics teacher is leaving, and it's like same thing. He's like, it's sad, but he kind of has to because he has better things to do than be at Cyprus, where it's kind of shitty.
Doesn't he have like a son?
Mr. Patel? Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got a wife and kids.
You ever had like a gay teacher?
Mr. Morales is gay, but then he left.
Yeah. I remember there was this thing about like that one teacher who claims he has like a wife and kids.
And then he's like,
He's like the zestiest guy ever.
it's going to clear study. Oh, I gotta go to. I remember, bruh. It took us so fucking long to get the dragon teeth for the totems. That was cancer. I hated that.
It took me going to the ginger mines every day.
Yeah.
I wasn't even going for the dragon teeth. It was just really only going there as a bonus.
Hmm. What do you do now? Gotta check up on the Ginger Island farm. See if everything's. Oh yeah, pineapple. I forgot pineapples are amazing. Sadly, I wish I could put Junimo huts in here. Man, sadly, only in Junimo Islands I have to do my own labor.
I need to place 6,000 Junimo huts in 3 years. I need to place 6 million Junimo huts in 3 years. Sorry, best I could do is 601k.
Alright, let me go back to the mother. I'm gonna go back to mother base. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't rename my farm unless I fuck with the game files. The only thing I messed with in the game files was adding more players for multiplayer. I should have done more, but it's fine.
And it'll be fine. I think.
You can make banana wine. Where's the banana juice?
What did the bananas do?
Bananas make me go crazy.
Oh.
I like how I've done the area of like every. Wait, could I? Okay, I could think of this as like a fucking function. Because I've done like integrals for the last like 30 days. Or not even 30 days, 60 days.
Is it you have to integrate it to your class?
Shut your bitch ass up. Nah, cause it's like integrals is literally like the area under the curve. So I've been doing like fancy geometry.
Okay, my boner is incredibly quick.
I can wait. Could I make this into a function? Wait, no. This would probably be statistics. And statistics, yeah.
Statistically speaking, you probably can't do that.
Statistics is gay. No, there was this guy in ROTC. He refused to like mathematically challenge himself, and he got rejected from like every college in the state. Cause he took like the easiest APs and thought he was hot shit, only until colleges like completely like ignored him. Let me think here. So as a function, this would be f of x, my y value, grows every day. It's not. I mean, wait. It is. No. It's too.
Like like seeing the pigmen kill themselves trying to kill me. They can fly and they can't.
You know what? Screw it. We're not gonna make a function. We're just gonna keep going. We don't care. Is anything's birthday? Kent's birthday's tomorrow. Can I send Kent a bomb?
You think it'll remind him of war?
Wait,
probably
doesn't he have like a breakdown at like one of his ranks?
Yeah, he has a breakdown over popcorn.
No, but like he has an actual breakdown in front of you, not over popcorn.
Yeah.
It's after the popcorn. Alright, that's enough Stardew. I guess get stop recording that OGS.
That was the only thing I had going on with Kent when it was a popcorn.
See. Oh, my brother got off